Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm here to talk about the best free music app for your Apple devices. And it's iTunes. It comes default installed on your Apple device. Almost all the best products for an Apple are the default applications that comes through it. If you want the best camera app for your Apple, it's the camera app. If you want the best notes, it's the notes app. And if you want the best music application for your Apple device, which is free, it's iTunes. And if you want to spend money, monthly subscription wise, you can either spend it on iTunes or you can also spend it on Spotify. As Spotify, it's the best music application throughout all devices. So yeah, the best music application for an Apple device is iTunes, and it's free, so it comes pre-installed on your device. So yeah, so I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.